How to install Apple iOS device. With no software to download, using Turnbull.app on the go is very straightforward. To add Turnbull.app to your iPhone's home screen, open Safari or Chrome browser. Go to www.turnbull.app, tap the Share button, choose Add to Home Screen and tap Add. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to save Turnbull.app to your iOS home screen. 1. Open the Safari app on your iPhone. 2. Navigate to www.turnbull.app. 3. Tap the Share button at the bottom of the screen. It looks like a square with an upward arrow. 4. Scroll down in the list of actions and select Add to Home Screen. 5. Tap Add. That's it! The shortcut to Turnbull.app will now be added to your iPhone's home screen. You can move it around like any other app icon and tap on it to open the website directly in Safari or Chrome. Go further faster